Limescale buildup? Problem solved. Vitamin C is not only good for one's health, but is also useful for plants. It protects them and makes them stronger, promoting vigorous growth. There's still some detergent left in the bottle. Don't waste it. Just dilute it with a little water and it's ready for use again. Here's an alternative way to use a pillowcase. Ingenious! It is important to clean the oven's hood filters regularly. You can safely put them in the dishwasher along with everything else. Clean as a whistle. Broken jug carrier handle? Here's how to fix it easily. Now you can pick the jug up again. Don't place your pillows like this. Turn the open sides inward. Just a few drops of essential oil are enough to perfume all the drawers and hampers in your home. The scent will last for longer and will freshen up your rooms. Blunt potato peeler? Use the bottom of a mug to sharpen the blade. It works! Here's how to clean grouting quickly and easily. Now you don't have to constantly bend over. Did you lose the lid? A perfect solution. Rice retains liquids for longer. By adding a few drops of essential oil, you can make an effective DIY air freshener.